Programming languages come and go, but Python is different. It's one of the few languages that consistently gains traction, and as the community grows, so does the power of the language. And now you can be part of the Python community. Python is one of the simplest coding languages to learn. It's used for everything from sending reminder texts to classifying images that detect diseases. That diversity is why Python powers some of the best-loved apps in existence, including Instagram, Netflix, and Spotify. If you've dreamed of unlocking Python's unlimited potential, Udacity's brand new Intermediate Python Nanodegree program is for you. It's designed and taught entirely by industry insiders who work in the field. It's perfect for those who have used Python to build basic scripts but want to up their game. You'll learn a language that's frequently used in full-stack web development as well as for powering artificial intelligence and data science. And you'll be learning by building real-world projects, including a motivational, quote, meme generator. These projects showcase your skills to impress potential employers. The new Intermediate Python Nanodegree program from Udacity, taught by the best so you can build the applications that will power the future.